Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for the smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our device, with our smartband. In the application, you should see this Today page. You can tap on the profile icon right here to open the account menu. And if you don't see the Ace 3 right here on the list, that means you could be on the parent view. So for example, let's tap on switch to parent view and enter the password to confirm. Give me a second. Okay. And if you switch to the parent view, you won't see the Ace 3 on the list of devices connected to your phone. If you open the account page in the parent view, you won't see it. You will need to tap on the My Family, and here you should have the family set up, and you need to tap on switch to Kid View to open the Kid View, and there you will be able to access the settings for your Fitbit Ace 3. And once you're in the Kid View, tap on the profile icon, tap on Ace 3. Wait until the device is done syncing. So let's wait a couple of seconds. For some reason it doesn't want to sync. Oh, okay, now it did. And once it's done syncing, you can tap on notifications right here. Then tap on enable notification service. It will redirect you to this page, notification access. Find the Fitbit application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and you can then allow more permissions. Basically, you need to allow them for the notifications to work. And as you can see, we have the call access or access to call logs. We need to allow it, contacts, phone calls, and now we have access to the notifications right here in the app. And we can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch. And we can also customize a couple of settings. We can enable the option always vibrate. So basically the tracker will vibrate even though if the phone or the tracker is in the do not disturb mode. So if you enable this option, it will always vibrate when you get the calls on your phone. And next option is enable transliteration, and this option basically will convert any incoming notifications into Latin characters, and you can enable this option or disable it. And last option is require encryption, but this option is not taggable. We can't enable it. We can also tap on more options icon right here, and we have options like disable notification and send a test call notification. So if you want to check if the notifications are working, you can open this menu, tap on send a test call notification. And here we have it. It's working. Test call. We can press the buttons to stop it. Like that. Okay. So now you should be able to receive the notifications about the calls on your device. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this device on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.